In this video, we will talk about Kingfisher. Hi, my name is Arav Jain. I study in Shikshanta. I'm a fourth grader. I am 9 years old. Kingfisher. I love kingfishers a lot. Kingfisher. There are 90 to 110 species of kingfisher. The most common kingfisher is the common kingfisher. The most common kingfisher's color is blue and ochre yellow, as you can see it in this picture. Sorry, yeah. So it has white, a little bit of white on its face. And it has orange legs, as you can see it in this picture. Giant kingfisher. Giant kingfisher is 42 to 46 centimeter long, with a large shaggy crest, a large black bill, and fine white spot on black upper part. The upper part is this, okay? And it has a lot of hair, as you can see, like going this, feathers going like this, and and it has small to medium type of beak, and at the tip of the beak it is white. It has a brown part at the down. Forest kingfisher. Forest kingfisher have blue and white feathers. They look very smart to me because of their color. They are also known as tree birds. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, write down in the chat. Please give me a thumbs up on my channel. Bye. Bye.